Упадет, упадет. Keep going. Right guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. As you remember, in last video we dropped the Maclaren to the paint shop. So right now the car is getting ready for the paint. There is some work with the fiberglass on the door, so it takes a little longer. But in the meantime, we did got something else from the copart auction, and that's a 2013 Polaris side-by-side 900 cc's. The side-by-side came from Oregon. It's at somebody's house right now. I gotta go with my brother to the shop, get the trailer, go to his house, load it on the trailer, take it to the shop, and then I'll show you guys what we got. Right guys, but before we leave, I gotta take Apollo for a run. Right buddy? Let's go for a run. Sit. Good boy. Let's go for a run. Lay. Up. Sit. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Stand up. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, so we hooked up the trailer and we're on our way to get the side-by-side. So there is a side-by-side. Looks like it got damaged around Christmas, judging by these flowers over here. Basically, we're gonna throw this thing in the trailer, take it to the shop, and then go from there. So the guy that towed the side-by-side to Sacramento couldn't start it. I don't know if he was using jumper cables or something else, but he said it wouldn't start. It's loose? Yeah. Man, so far no power. It's not like it doesn't start, but just doesn't give us power on nothing. Like nothing goes on. And we'll try either to bypass. Maybe the relay is bad, because one time I used a jumper cable to jump start a quad and I burned the relay. Maybe same thing happened with this one. So if that's not gonna work, then we'll have to keep playing around until we find something. Maybe there's like a secret button or something. Oh, there you go. Nice. So the relay was popped?
Yeah.
So at least we have power now. And what is the, what did you?
The relay right here. So
okay.
I'm gonna disconnect it. Boom.
Oh, so that little, hold on. That little switch, yeah?
Yeah, it was reset,
okay.
so you gotta turn it on.
Alright, so now we got power. And let's start.
А нету колесо качать, это заднее. Да? Окей.
Alright, well, let's start. Oh, there you go. There you go. She's alive! Woo! Nice. Nice. At least we don't have to push it now. We got a flat tire though. But not all the way, only in the bottom. Упадет, упадет. So we can't really hit the ramps to put them in the center because we're hitting this metal plate and we'll try to do something without damaging anything. Оп, падает. Окей, газуй. Вот так, все. Ну, нормально, все, заедет. Да, главное не останавливайся.
Давай. Та сторона же
And there she is. Yep. Alright, we got it on a trailer. It's about 2 miles this way, but it's there. And we'll have to drive it like that because we didn't get no straps to tie it. But the shop is not too far, so I'll get there safe, I believe. We'll see. Well, we're here. We made it. The side-by-side still in the trailer. Didn't go nowhere, so that's good. Okay, go. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Whoa. And just like that, she's out. Damn, is the trailer fine? It's built for that. Yeah, that's fixable. Oh, I'm surprised the light works. The light is damaged. Alright.
So it looks like the main impact was in the front. They hit a reindeer because it was Christmas time. Or it maybe rolled over. So the main damage is at the bottom here. And it looks like the front shield is messed up, some of the fairings on it. Control arms look good, axle looks good, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem to fix it.
Yeah, if you look through all that, that's not, I mean, this damage doesn't look that big. You know what I mean? All the frame is good. It's just the plastics are pushed and the bumper. Other than that, the wheels are straight. The door doesn't really open, which means we gotta adjust a little bit. It's like almost catching, but not really. So for now, this is what we have to work with. The roof needs to be changed, right? It's a little, yeah, over here.
Yeah, either it was laid on that side. That's why there's some damage on the side.
Yeah, maybe hit a tree or something.
Well, that shouldn't be too expensive, it's just sheet metal.
Yeah. The cool thing about this little car, it has a winch. I'm not sure if it's working or not, but we can always try. What was that?
I think that's it. Shake it.
Okay. Let me see. Oh yeah. Keep going. A little more. A little more. Good. Man, I like the seats on this thing. They're a little dirty, but has no ribs. And how they come out. Pull that one out.
Yeah, it's super simple. There's a little lever in the back. You pull that and pull the seat up, slide it back, and it comes completely off.
That's it.
I guess it has the battery here. Oh, look at that. It has some tuner.
Yep.
It's kind of cool. I guess it got some extra power.
Try to see if the battery is fully charged, if it's gonna start. Oh yeah. Hey, do some burnouts. Burnouts. Whoa. This thing pulls. about the Jeeps. Keep going, keep going. Hey, that's enough. Yeah, we don't wanna piss off the neighbors. Look at that dust. So definitely has some power, huh?
Yeah. I
Looks
drove
like
the 1000 turbo one, and this one's it's pretty impressive compared to that one. I don't know if it's the tuner or what it is, but it's got some power.
Was that one 2-door also, or
It was 2-door, yeah, 1000 turbo.
Huh.
Yeah. It's a little bigger in size, but I don't know if it's newer here or.
We have the scoop from the hood. So looks like we're gonna have to pull some parts out, see if probably we're gonna go for fixing everything instead of buying all this plastic. We're gonna have to warm it up and fix, glue everything, paint it, because it is, you know, at the end of the day, it's an off-road thing, so you don't want to go with new plastics, and then you saw how much rocks it throws.
We'll see. We'll have to see the prices. If it's cheap and it comes one piece and it's affordable, then why not?
Yeah.
But I think first thing to do is remove it and see the deeper damage where all the hidden damage is pretty much the frame and the roll cage, see if it's actually damaged or if it's just pushed out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
So
I see the radiator, it's over here, and looks like it's kind of pushed in, but I don't see no leak. So we'll have to, that's something that we can have to take it apart and see. Right guys, so it did what we have to work with, and next episode we're gonna start taking everything apart and start pulling the frame or whatever is damaged, maybe change some plastics, maybe fix something. We'll see as we go. When we start pulling apart, we'll see what to do, but yeah, stay tuned for the next video coming. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.